Hi guys, Sylvia here and welcome all to my Rapid List Building System review. Rapid List Building System by Ben Fletcher. It is going live today on the 24th of September at 9 a.m. New York time. As always, you will find my written review in the description box, so go check it out for all of the details, the features, the benefits, the funnel details, and my amazing bonuses for those who decide, ideally after having watched all of my review, yes, this is for me, and I am getting it from Sylvia, and thank you very much for that. And my bonuses have already been delivered into your Warrior Plus account, awaiting your royal presence. Yes, we are all queens and kings in our own right. Right guys, so Rapid List Building System. This is the newest launch from the newest training course from Ben Fletcher. I love the quality of Benjamin Fletcher's products, training courses. The one thing I appreciate most about his training courses, that it is real raw, uncensored. It's all very transparent, based on his own results, on what he does for a living. He used to be a car mechanic. He's technically deaf. And I know that Ben smashes leaderboards. He does very, very well with his launches, his affiliate campaigns, and all of that. So guys, let's dig in. I'll show you the members area. We'll check out the sales page. We'll check out the funnel details and my bonuses, and I'll explain why they will actually fit like a glove. Complement. Well, I have obviously watched my way through. I don't know if it's that obvious, okay guys? And by the way, if you like my review, give me a like. Any questions, pop them in the comment section. And if you believe, yes, this is for me, I would appreciate if you support me. If you could support me, that would just keep me motivated to keep coming to you with these real reviews. I take a lot of time to prepare for my reviews. It's not that I just scroll through the sales page. I go all the way, to getting the product, or at least the review access, going through it, understanding it, and then sharing with you how you will benefit from this or that, product. So, I take my sweet time and put in a lot of effort into delivering real reviews to you, so you can be fully informed whether this is for you or not, okay? So if you could support me, that would be awesome. I'm just being very real. Right, so let's dig in and let me share with you all I have prepared here for you. So again, my written review right below. You have it all nicely put together. The front has $17 during the launch. It's a 5-day launch, guys. And below you will find about Ben, some information about Ben Fletcher, this is him, the features and benefits of this product, whom it would benefit. It's good for complete beginners, but I would not say it's for beginners who are as green as the grass. You can, of course, okay, it would be great if you had some kind of rough idea about what affiliate marketing is all about, then it will be easier for you to, follow along, and as Ben is taking you through the process of how to set up the affiliate campaigns. And to put it briefly, guys, this is a training course about how to crash affiliate marketing by building your list. Okay, fast, yes, with paid traffic mainly. However, Ben also touches, it was nice actually to see, on free traffic methods as well, using Quora. He was talking about Facebook, how to monetize it. He briefly mentions the Linktree setup, like he's got one as well. A Linktree is a page that you can set up for free. In one of my bonuses, I actually walk you through the whole process on how to set up this Linktree website for free. And on that page, you can have links to various opt-in pages, affiliate offers, your own offers, connect your other social media accounts and all of that. So it's a great idea. So Ben does cover that as well. But he mainly focuses on how to grow your list using mainly solo ads. That's what he does. Again, he teaches what he does. He shows you what works for him and how he does it. And it's very thorough, very comprehensive, very easy to follow, okay? He uses some advanced tool like ClickMagick for tracking. You don't have to get the same one. If you want to do tracking, if you do want to track your links, you can use more affordable tracking tools, and Ben would suggest which ones would be more affordable. He shares with you how to integrate all of the parts together, like autoresponder, page builder. He uses optimized press, and then again, you don't have to use the same one, but if you do, it's going to be very easy for you to follow along, because he would also give you templates that you just get the code and voila, it gets transferred into if you use optimized press, you get the exact landing page that Ben uses that has been generating him a lot of leads. Okay. So again, his main source of traffic would be paid traffic. And it's been proven, tested, and all of that. It works. Yes, it does require some budget. It's not for someone who's absolutely broke. It's not for people who are on a tight budget. As we know, that's the reality. You either invest your time, so you put in the work and create content, pulling organic traffic into your, say, videos, TikTok, social media posts, or you buy traffic. So either way, you pay with your time or money. But time is money at the end of the day. And Ben understands that. For him, this is a strategy that just pays off. He understands time is precious. He has mastered the process, so even though he pays for the traffic, it's only the traffic that converts. And yeah, he shares with you all of the insights, so you can follow along. Okay, guys, here I have funnel details, the front end $17 during the launch. After the launch, 5-day launch, the price may jump up. There will be a bump offer. I actually have access to this bump offer as well, so I'll show it to you. It's $27. And then we have 5 upsells. Read about the upsells. All of Ben's upsells are amazing, fantastic, very congruent with the front end, like this underground traffic systems actually for 47. That's OTR number 1. Is absolutely amazing as well. Okay, so advanced traffic methods, strategies as well. And my bonuses, guys, all about traffic, very congruent with this offer. They will complement this offer beautifully. So read about my bonuses. They are custom-made bonuses. I created them. They are either video tutorials or even ebooks or PDFs. You will not find them anywhere else. Okay. So guys, let's move on. Let's check out the members area. So this is the members area. And we have 3 modules, and there will be sub-modules to these modules. This is the swipe, deal, deploy. Swipe, steal, deploy. So use my swipes, use my headlines. Okay. This is the bump offer. That is pretty good. Okay. Now let me show you the core training. So let me open this one up, and you will have here. So video number 1, the introduction and the overview of the system, what you will be learning. Then in video number 2, Ben will be telling you how he's generating the traffic and subscribers, and to cut right to the chase, let me tell you, he's getting them mainly from Udemy and also Traffic Zest, and he gives you an invite link to Traffic Zest because someone has to invite you. This is quite an exclusive paid traffic platform, but from all of the feedback I have been hearing, Traffic Zest is actually a better source of solo ads than Udemy. Solo ads is like you borrow someone else's list, right? And you do it legally and quite, acceptably as well. There are solo ad sellers, and if you pay them, they're more than happy to lend you their list. Okay. So those people will opt into your lead capture page in exchange of a lead magnet. Ben goes through the process of how to set up the landing page, how to create a perfect lead magnet as well. He gives you custom GPTs as well that he has trained to create the lead pages, the content for it. And then he would show you how to put it all together using autoresponder for sending your emails, how to connect, integrate everything with your page builder as well, and also with the platform that he's using for generating traffic, and that is Traffic Zest specifically. But he also goes through other social media accounts as well, like, again, even I like how he shows you how to answer questions on Quora, for example, Reddit, or going into subreddits, right? It's also a very good idea. So you answer a question using AI, and then you can talk to people in private messages. Okay, you can recommend them, your offers, your lead magnets as well. So there are ways to go around it using free traffic as well. Video number 3, how to create an email welcome sequence. Video number 4, so the paid traffic generation, as you can see, Udemy, Traffic Zest. And there is another one, the Click Engine by Jeff. I cannot see the surname, but this is the one that Ben also recommends, and Reddit Ads is another one. Google Ads, Microsoft Ads, he covers them a little bit, but not so much in detail. He really goes into how to set up a campaign in detail, step by step, with Traffic Zest, and how he does it and all of that. So here you can get a discount if you want to go for this one. This is something Ben recommends. I may actually try it out myself because it did sound good. So that was the core training. Now let's go back and let me show you the next module, which is this one, Watch Over My Shoulder, the so-called machine setup. So how to set up your campaign. That would help you, that would build an email list for you. So how to set up the landing page, and all of the tutorials are excellent, okay? I love how Ben backs up everything with his own, well, from his own perspective, how he explains everything from his own experience as well. And he's very, very real in what he does and how he does it. So you can download his landing page here. Further down, he will show you how to build a bridge page setup. A bridge page is essentially a thank you page. And it is a precious, precious piece of advice that Ben shared with you in that tutorial. In fact, this is one of the best strategies I have heard. Okay. And I totally agree with it. So what he says on the thank you page, never ever give away your lead magnet. A lot of affiliates do make that mistake. And this is a no-no. What you can actually recommend people already on the thank you page. That is a follow-up to your lead capture page. So on that thank you page, you can already recommend another paid offer, actually. Not give away your lead magnet. No, the lead magnet will come in the email, the welcome email. So this way it also secures legit subscribers, legit email addresses. Because what if someone gives you an abc@gmail.com, okay, ABC, what ABC all the way to Z, as they give you some fake email, and after they opt in, there comes the thank you page, right? With, what? The lead magnet delivered to them straight away. No. Okay? So if they do give you a fake email address and you don't deliver the lead magnet on the thank you page, they won't get it. So they will have to opt in. If they really want the lead magnet, they will have to opt in again with a real email address. And then they will get the welcome email, and followed by a sequence of other emails as well that you will have set up in your autoresponder. So that's the smart way to do it. And again, I totally agree with Ben. I do it the same way. Right. And then how to connect your autoresponder, your email sequence. And here Ben gives you access to his custom GPTs, one that writes very good emails. So 5-part email sequence writer is a custom GPT. So you can access it here, right? And then you have the AI lead capture page writer. So what you would need to do with this GPT is share your PDF or, your lead magnet with it. And based on the lead magnet, on the content of the lead magnet, this GPT will create the perfect landing page for you. The capture page with a brilliant, catchy headline and subheadline and the opt-in. Alright, so you access this one right here. Okay, and let me show you another module now. So this one here, this one is actually, I love it because it's a case study. So it's very real. Ben ran 2 campaigns and he compares them. The results were very interesting. His main focus is on the quality of the leads, not quantity. So he's showing you how he set up 2 campaigns, and the first one turned out cheaper. I think he paid using Traffic Zest, he paid around 77 cents per click. Okay, but the conversion rate was around 28%. So right above average. So the average would be 25%, okay, the conversion rate, so from clicks to actual opt-ins. Then he set up another campaign that he shows you. See, these are the case studies. Beautiful, beautiful. He shows us how to set up the campaigns, and he very transparently shares his results. And as he compares here, the other campaign turned out more expensive, but higher conversion rate. So he ended up paying like over $1 per click using, again, Traffic Zest, but the conversion rate was over 45%. So again, yes, he did pay a bit more, but again, the conversion rate was higher, you know, so yeah, this is something I definitely agree with. Always focus on the quality rather than quantity, because you want quality leads who open your emails and click on your links that you send to them, that are inside of your emails, right? Otherwise, what's the point of paying for your autoresponder if you only have a big number of useless, you know, respectfully, but useless subscribers? What I mean by that is subscribers who are ghosts, okay? They don't open, they don't click. Why are you on my list to begin with? So yeah, simples. Alright, so going back, let me show you the last one. I mean, this is a bump offer, so it's not part of the front end. It's called Swipe, Steal, Deploy. Yeah, it's amazing, really. So you get the so-called big ass headline swipe file from JK Doodle. It's a beautiful, beautiful PDF. I'll actually open it up for you and quickly scroll through so you see the quality of it. Then you have Ben's top 20 headline subject line templates. It's a swipe file, his landing page template as well, and the tools he recommends as well. Just a couple of tools. And this one, you know, subject lines are very important. They must be curiosity evoking, curiosity driven, wanting people to actually open up the email. So the headline is critical. But let me show you this one by actually JK Doodle. It's 29 pages long. It's the ultimate headline swipe file. Copy paste these headlines for your landing pages, sales pages, and more. So it's something really, really amazing, as you can see. So let me quickly scroll through, not to reveal too much of it, because I don't feel quite comfortable doing that. It's not quite cool. Yeah, if you want access to it, get it. Right, guys, so that's that. That was the members area. And again, for the full details, everything nicely listed, I put it nicely together for you, and to check out what bonuses I offer to you if you pick up this product via my written review. Yeah, go check out my review, and if you're on it and you've read through it, you've decided, yes, that's for me, I want to buy it from Sylvia, then click the buy now, and then you will be redirected to the sales page, which is amazing, no fluff. What you see is what you get. It's launching anytime soon, so click here, $17 for now. Ben Fletcher is a high quality vendor with a very, very low refund rate as both vendor and affiliate. His products get 4, 4.5, 5 out of 5, 5 stars out of 5. People love his authentic approach, his realness. They can relate to him. That's just something precious. Okay? Right, guys, so I highly recommend it. It's a traditional, most effective way of making money online with affiliate marketing. So if you're serious, you want to start building your email list, Ben is very good at it, and in this training course, he's showing you how he does it and how he crashes it. Alright, guys, ciao, love you and leave you, and I shall see you very soon. Bye.